Okay, now that we have the actual switch into place, I'm going to install our switch plate. Now this one's still in the wrapper, so what I'm going to do is just carefully tear this up, or open like that. And you'll notice that the switch plate screws are already inserted into the switch plate cover itself. Now, with these, you have to use a flathead screwdriver. So that'll go in there just like that. And the way these are put in there is really neat. You can go ahead, it's got almost like a little holder in there. You can, you don't have to worry about them falling out. And it's really just as simple as lining your switch plates, or switch plate cover up with these holes at the top and the bottom. All right, and you'll see how those line up here. It's just a matter of placing the switch plate cover over there, looking around the back to make sure that they line up well. I like to start with either the top or the bottom. And if you just move it around a little bit, you'll see that we have a very simple way of putting the switch plate on. Now, this is a nylon, quote-unquote, unbreakable. So you don't have to be as careful about breaking them. But you want it snug, but you don't want it too snug. Remember, in a regular household situation, you would have drywall around this, so it would just be covering that up to keep it from looking nasty. It just gives it a nice decorative look. So that's exactly what is behind wiring a switch with a wall plate on it. You can see it looks a lot better, a lot more decorative.